वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का यहाँ पे वंस अगेन। तो यहाँ पे बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट जो नेगोशिएशन का स्टेटस है एज़ फार द ऑफिशियल सर्कुलर वो यहाँ पे शेयर करा गया है ऑल इंडिया बैंक ऑफिसर एसोसिएशन की तरफ से। उसको यहाँ पे शेयर करूँगा दोस्तों अमंग ऑल ऑफ यू। सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर करना इसको चैनल को यहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और वीडियो को मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली शेयर कर देना, बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ वेरी बिग अपडेट और बिग सर्कुलर है यहाँ पे that is being done, that is being shared. So friends, to all the state committee affiliates units status in the negotiations to enable the officers to understand uh, the developments in the ongoing negotiations related to service conditions and wages of officers, as we are providing relevant and available information to officer fraternity. So formation of committee to discuss the contagious issues. क्या क्या वो issues हैं दोस्तों? Leave and monetization of leave fare concessions, discipline and appeal regulations for officers, mostly for public sector except SBI, as there is no provision to proceed against an officer after retirement in SBI, whereas it is in the public sector bank under pension regulation 1995 उसमें है. So dearness allowance conversion factor base year to be fixed as 2016. तो जो conversion factor का base year है उसको एज अ 2016 यहाँ पे फिक्स करना है. So current offer made by the team IBA क्या क्या है? It was learned that in discussion that is held on 27th October 2023, the offer was 13% and which was available for a day only. So though there was no written communication or record by the participating unions, so on 9th November 2023 the offer was enhanced to 15%, and after repeated adjournments the offer came up to 16% with the loading of 2.5%. So as it was expressed in one of the earlier meetings of 9 constituents that the entire special allowance should be merged first with substantial quantum of increase in the percentage 2. उसके बाद अगर आप देखें जो past practices हैं, divisions made हैं, the construction of pay scales with the following loading was clinched during the earlier discussion. Scale 1 to 3 11 to 18%, scale 4 to 7 20 to 29%. So basic pay plus DA after construction of pay scales was 8.85% of the load located. So after achieving the one more option for pension to be workforce past and present, the loading was brought down from 11 to 18% to 2%, as payment of pension is linked to last drawn basic pay. So adequate provisioning has to be made in pension corps of public sector bank except State Bank of India. So in lieu of the जो भी contributions हैं, in lieu of the contributions to pension corps, SBI workforce right from 1st November 1993 are getting special compensatory allowance specifically enhanced in every bipartite. So thus the introduction of special allowance was brought in the pay scale from 1st November 2012, which carries dearness allowance. So payment of DA on special allowance was clinched by officer organization exclusively while linking the MAU at IBA. So there was no mention made while drafting. So while drafting first MAU in 2015 by other constituents. So friends, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं construction of new basic pay efforts by AIBOA क्या है वो. So the loading was specifically restricted to 2% in 12 to 17. The construction in basic pay loading was 2.08%. So likewise in 17 to 12 it was restricted to 2.5. The new basic pay was constructed with 2.88% loading. So special allowance should be considered as a part of basic pay. So this is something very important required. AIBO suggestion to convener of United Form of Bank Union and alternate to the loading of 2.5%. New basic pay should be constructed, that is the existing basic pay plus 4.34% of DA difference on amount of LIC plus merger of DA at 8088 points plus 50% special allowance at each stage. उसके बाद है 5 day week through LIC workforce achieved 5 day week from April 2021 so far. So no light is seen at the end of tunnel for the banking workforce till now. So on 28th February 2023 there was near consensus among the participating unions and it was agreed to IBA to take up to the गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। सो दिस इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट सर्कुलर दैट वी हैव राइट नाउ फॉर द टुडेज मीटिंग। सो दोस्तों इसे प्लीज़ शेयर कर देना और चैनल को यहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब कर लेना।